remove the heatsink, first remove the access panel and the drives cage. Remove the power SATA cables from the screw posts and guides on the heatsink. Detach the heatsink connector to the motherboard. Loosen the 4 captured Torx 15 screws for the heatsink and gently pull the heatsink out of the PC. Before replacing the heatsink into the system, first clean off the old thermal grease from the microprocessor. Clean the grease from the heatsink if you are replacing the same heatsink into the system. Apply new thermal grease or thermal pad to the microprocessor. Align the 4 screws of the heatsink over the 4 screw holes on the motherboard with the connector aligned toward the top of the unit. Tighten the 4 Torx 15 heatsink screws. Replace the heatsink connector to the motherboard. Reroute the power SATA cables into the guides and the inside screw posts of the heatsink.